YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Does your boy have amazing timing or what, guys? Just a few hours ago, I made a video talking about the fact that Bitcoin would possibly see some major sell-off in just the next couple of hours. And as you guys could see, that's exactly what happened. As usual, right? Your boy, as usual, right? As usual, guys. But again, I did make another bold claim in that last video about my price prediction on Bitcoin. I just want to talk about it right now because again, I did talk about the fact that Bitcoin can see a retest of this zone right here, this 52,000. This is where I kind of predicted, but I was hoping that maybe we wouldn't see it as fast. But again, we could be making money on the way down, and that's why I do talk about all types of trends on this channel, not just when Bitcoin's going up, but also when Bitcoin needs to correct. Because again, I was short on the market and I did make some money on this trend. So if you guys do enjoy doing that kind of thing, then you can do that first. Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, sorry. Anyway, let me just make sure that this is still looking good for you guys. Okay. Yeah, it keeps trying to make me pay for a trading view. I'm not paying for trading view. I don't pay for trading view. I don't pay for any trading platforms because forget it. Or I'm just not signed up for trading view actually. I think it's free. So, but I'm just not signed up for it. So, but anyway, you could just use it over here for free. So, wanted to talk to you guys over here really about the past 30 minutes. As you guys could see, Bitcoin capitulating just within the past like half an hour, dropping down for 60,000 all the way down to 58,000 and creating this Nike check. Guys, this is a pattern that we talk about on this channel so much we talk about this pattern on the channel, guys. You know why? Because this pattern makes me a lot of money on bear trends. And again, this is something that we look for if you're a bear in the market, right? I swing trade, I do everything. So I'm looking for good opportunities in the market. And I did talk about the fact that our fake out that we had on Saturday or on Sunday actually, the market just generally doesn't move on a Sunday. And I was like, man, this is a great short opportunity right now because Bitcoin is pumping on us like a Sunday night. Actually, it was Sunday night, and it was the 30th. So yeah, Sunday night, and Bitcoin was pumping, and I was just like, oh, this is really weird. And so I knew that we were going to start seeing our sell-off that I was talking about. Sure enough, saw the sell-off today, just a couple hours after my last video where I was talking about the fact that we were probably going to see again 52K. I did have some people in my Telegram also saying that, hey, maybe 58K could be possibly the bottom, which it can possibly be the bottom. Maybe we're seeing some kind of a bottom forming here, and again, that could lead what I was saying last video again of us creating a head and shoulders pattern right here, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? This would be bearish. That's why we saw the sell off here. This could also be a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Just not really looking good for Bitcoin in a lot of ways right now, which is just, it's not saying that Bitcoin's not going to recover. It's just saying that there's nothing to indicate that we're seeing a recovery anytime soon. And so you're going to have to be patient, buddy, because we are in the midst of a correction, and how low we go, nobody knows. So again, like I said, time of the video, Bitcoin coming in at 58,000, but starting to slowly take its way back up now to 59. But we'll see kind of what happens with Bitcoin. I'm definitely going to be watching it. Today is definitely going to be a day of volatility. I talk about the fact that, Sundays are generally not the day when price action happens. The day that price action generally happens is like a Thursday. I talk about Thursdays all the time, but it seems like, again, today is what, Wednesday, and we're seeing the price action again. Wednesday, Thursday is what it is. Market doesn't move on a dime, but it's safe to say that this was pretty much foreseen. And also, when the market moves down like in the middle of the week, like it just did, generally, from my experience, it's generally going to bleed into the weekend. It's going to bleed into the weekend. So I do think that we're going to see more sell off into the weekend. I don't think that this is necessarily a bottom. Also, the 1 week chart showing that this is possibly not the bottom. As you can see, we already broke down off of a lot of resistance, and it's just looking like a free fall on the 1 week. Also, our 1 month also looking like we're not really touching anything. And this is, guys, what happens, right? When we have a March like we did, right? I was saying that the RSI was so overbought way back in March at 71,000. I was saying not a bad time to be stable coining up because, right, we're so overbought. There's so much greed in the market. The market greed was at a 96, guys. I was saying it's unheard of. It's absurd. I've been doing cryptocurrency for so long. I've never seen this. That's what I was saying, and I was saying that this is going to have some serious sell-off. Sure enough, your boy Crypto J was right. Again, hit that like button, hit the comment section, and let me know if I was right, guys. Because honestly, your boy is be putting in work, trying to let you guys know, trying to give you guys these trade alerts, whether to know whether things are probably going to be looking good in the next couple hours or whether things are going to be looking bad. And this is definitely a play that we talked about with Bitcoin, about how things would possibly be looking. And again, very concerned about Bitcoin. Just as far as the future, if you're looking for positions to get in, just because I feel like we're not really anywhere at a bottom, in my opinion. But again, there are some people that are in my Telegram, and those guys, again, amazing traders. Those guys thinking that we might have some kind of a bottom at 58. I don't really know. Don't really know. But it's possibility, right? It could be we're definitely in what I like to think of as an accumulation zone. Historically, it's always been a good time to buy Bitcoin, right? Just dollar cost average, buy it when it's cheap. Definitely, in my opinion, right now, Bitcoin is definitely on discount. But how much of a discount can we see on Bitcoin? Not quite sure. Again, I think 52 possible bottom, absolute bottom, lowest bearish situation. I think 45, and I think that the recovery is going to take some months, guys. I'm sorry, it's going to take months, and some of you guys are not going to want to be patient for that. But if you are patient for that, just know that your patience will be rewarded. Patience is always rewarded in the cryptocurrency space. At least historically, it has been. Also know that there's going to be coins that are going to be pumping all the time too. Don't think just because Bitcoin is dumping that nothing's going to be moving at all. So just know that there's going to always be a meme coin that is going to be making a big deal on the internet, making its rounds on Twitter and stuff like that. So don't feel like you're missing out on any opportunities, or that there's not going to be opportunities over the next couple months. But also just know that when Bitcoin decides it wants to capitulate, a lot of the times, a lot of these DeFi coins are going to also go down with the market as well. So again, if you're in and out of trades, a lot of the times it can be very volatile. Markets are going to be very volatile when Bitcoin's volatile like this. So volatility works in our favor, and it also works against us too, right? So when Bitcoin's going really great, when everybody's really greedy, money's pumping in, everybody's buying Solana because they want to buy meme coins, looking really good. Well, guess what? When things are looking kind of sus with Bitcoin, and it's looking like some sell-offs about to happen, a lot of the time people are stable coining up. Like again, I was talking about way at 71,000 way back in March, stable coining up, but what do I know? But again, this is what's going to happen. You're going to see a lot of sell-off in a lot of different coins all across the market, and that's why, again, I always talk about not investing more money than you're willing to lose. Also, just understanding the sentiment of the market when you're investing, where you're at. Again, not a bad zone of accumulation. If you do think that this is some kind of a bottom, like some of the guys in my Telegram think, it could definitely possibly be a bottom. But in my opinion, I just feel like we got a little more ways down to go. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, what cryptocurrencies are you guys looking at? What meme coins and stuff like that. And also, guys, if you want to come trade with your boy Crypto J, all you gotta do is comment on this video, comment J Squad, and like this video also, and DM me on my IG at JTalksCrypto. I'm picking a bunch of people to come trade with me on my private Telegram. I got 6 and 7 figure cryptocurrency holders in there, and like I said, those guys are amazing. They are amazing. So if you guys want to tap in, if you want to plug in with the gang, all you got to do is those things. And yeah, my dog's going crazy back here, but I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.